Hi guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So in the recent questions we discuss how we can refer static method, how we can refer instance method and how we can refer constructor guys. So now in this question we have to discuss how we can refer parameterized method, how we can refer parameterized methods. So the question may ask you in interview room how we can refer parameters method in Java guys. So now let's see with one example guys. Let's say we write one class and the class name we write A114 guys, and in this class we write one method public, okay, and the return type integer, okay, public return type integer, and suppose we write one sum method at here guys, okay, sum method at here, and then integer, okay, it is going to receive argument in the form of integer a and integer b guys, okay. So now these two integer argument going to receive by this sum method guys. So now then after we will say return, okay, return what we will say guys, return a plus b, return a plus b, okay, we will say guys. So now we want to refer this method, this is a parameter method. So for that first of all we will create the object of a114 and then we will say a1 guys, new a114, okay. This is the object of this class guys, a114, and we want to refer this method, okay. So now for that we can say okay, there is a one interface provide from Java 1.8, okay, and that interface name is the by function interface, by function, okay, by function interface, okay. And then we can say by function, like we said b1, by function b1, okay. And then guys we will say is equals to and we have to say a1 colon, okay. If it is an instance method we have to use object, so a1 colon, okay, colon the method name we will write sum at here guys, okay. So now so now we are getting one incompatible type, okay. Okay, so now, okay, we have to write parameter here, integer, okay, because we have to pass integer argument, integer, okay, integer and integer guys, okay. So now, okay, we write, okay, a parameter listed here. So now we can write float or object, okay. So, like, okay, we have to write it here, and then after, okay, we can say by using the reference of this by function interface coming from Java 1.8 guys, this is the feature of 1.8. And then we can say b1 dot, there is a one method apply method, okay. As soon as we call this apply method, so apply method will execute this sum method guys. So now we can say, like, for example, 100, okay, and 200, this is two parameter, okay, these two parameter we want to pass. So now integer we will say s or ns, okay, and now s, then after we will print the value of answer variable, okay. Now run file guys. So you can see in this way we can refer instance method, okay, okay, which is going to receive parameter guys. So if it is a static method, okay, if it is a static method, so then how we can refer this, we can refer this by using class name, okay. We have to say a114 something like. So then after we no need to create object of this class guys. So now run file, you will see the answer, we are getting the same one guys, okay. So now in this way we can refer parameterized method guys. Got it guys? So if you like this video guys, so please like, share and subscribe guys, okay. Till then, happy coding, and we'll see you in the next one guys, okay. Thank you guys.